1960s.
Oh my gosh.
Who the hell
Oh
was
my
that?
gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Run,
Oh my
run,
gosh.
run.
Oh my gosh. 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 Oh my
Behind
gosh.
us and he is
Oh
not
whatever.
running up.
Whatever.
Let's go.
No you can't! No you can't! No you can't!
Dad, I want
It
some
was
ice
difficult to put the pieces together.
cream. Oh my god, shut up, dude.
My name was
I don't like that.
I
My
made
name
the
is
mimic.
Peter. I made the family.
It was difficult.
It was difficult to
Put the
put
family
the
together.
family together.
Unfortunately, something went so wrong. And now I can't
Now I
keep
can't
singing
do
this
anything.
stupid fucking
Stupid
song.
I'm Meg. My name is Peter.
My name is Peter Griffin.
My name is Rita, and I hate
Say it.
fish
No.
eye.
No way my game crashed.
My name is Retep,
Kelvin.
and I made the Peter.
Why didn't they just name him Kevin?
My game crashed.
Because I wanted to be
You
different.
fucking serious?
This
We haven't
game
even
already
started,
crashed.
and your game has crashed
Yeah, we're not
already.
restarting.
We already went through the intro already.
Oh, I'm waiting to see what happens.
They call me the 31.
Virginia Puffton.
Are we skipping the intro or what?
They call me Virginia
No.
Puffton.
Oh,
Oh my god, it's
what's that,
Edward.
Rose laptop.
So we're in a helicopter. We're going down. Okay, we're going down.
Guys, fight demons.
We have to narrate, guys. Come on, we have to narrate. We're in a helicopter.
Oh.
We're flying over the island.
Oh
no,
no,
this
we're
is
flying
a
over the
conversation.
island.
Flying over the island. A helicopter. It's raining. 2 helicopters.
It's not even raining.
My camera's turning right. Yeah, it is.
Oh my god, they hit the second tap.
Hey, what's her name?
I don't
John.
My name is
John.
David.
know. John
Yeah.
Forrest.
My name is John. I put the
John
Kelvin together.
Forrest.
My name is
I
John
put the
Sons
forest up.
Forrest.
I put the forest together.
I am breaking the glass.
Yeah, I Sue likes to skip.
No, I just got there.
Oh wow.
Okay, we're crashing. We're crashing. We're crashing. Oh my god, we're landing. We're crashing.
Skipping,
Kelvin!
skipping,
Kelvin!
crashing.
Kelvin! Kelvin!
God.
There's too much going on. There's too much going on. I gotta skip. We'll go on.
Hey, Kelvin.
Now who in
My computer black screened.
It's the Flash! It's the Flash! It's the guy from the Flash! It's the guy from the Flash movie!
That's not good.
Kind of looks like Tyler Durden.
No, what the fuck?
Yeah, I know. I'm
What are
not
you
gonna lie. I
talking
should have
about?
lied to you.
Wow.
Follow me, Kelvin.
Shoot, what the heck?
My name is Edward. And I'm a the mimic.
Hey guys, I've got bad news.
What?
My computer bricked.
Rigged?
It braked?
Yeah, the power button's not working.
Oh my
Oh.
god.
Dude, this is
Early game grenades.
Yeah, early game grenade to his fucking computer.
Okay.
Alright.
What the hell was
What
that?
happened? You stepped on a landmine.
Bird! Bird! Bird!
Fuck you, Aiden. I knew you threw a grenade at me.
I
Asshole.
got the bird.
With my bag.
Bear, bear, bear. The bear. Wait, I forgot how to hotkey stuff.
You're a hot fucking.
Yeah, maybe don't be an asshole.
You guys okay over there?
Yeah, we're fine.
Yeah.
We might be
Having a
paraplegics.
great time.
We might be paraplegics now, but we're fine.
I don't have a leg anymore.
Yeah, I'm missing my arm.
Okay, I'll trade your arm for my leg.
No.
Oh.
I'll figure it out later. Actually, you know what?
Die, Mr. Turtle. Die, Mr. Turtle. Die, Mr. Turtle.
I wanted to give Javier just a 7%.
Oh,
Alright,
okay.
guys. We gotta find Team B, 0 out of 3, and find the puppy.
He has no idea what he's doing.
Guys, come here, look. Guys, look. Look what I have.
Let me guess, he has a gun already.
Oh, it's a turtle head. Wait, look what I got. Look what I got.
Give me
Oh, wait.
a second.
Okay, shut up.
I'm stabby.
Okay, are we speedrunning the first cave?
No, we should go get it.
Well, is
Like a
Ethan
base
coming back?
Done anything yet though? Oh, loud, owie.
What?
Okay, well I'm gonna go collect stuff.
I'm gonna collect your mama.
Oh, he told you, Javier.
Yeah, he did tell me, man.
Any of you guys have meds because fucking Aiden stabbed me?
I didn't know such thing.
Stop the cap.
Yeah, Aiden stabbed, or he didn't stab me, he threw a fucking grenade at me.
Did they make it so logs sink or that they'll float across still? Still a
I have
glitch.
no idea.
It's sick.
No, they float.
They float. Can you put a boat?
I mean, you could stand on it. I mean, maybe it would work.
Spring trap, alarm, what the fuck? Oh, we can make rafts! We can make a houseboat!
Yeah, they added it.
We can make a large raft, or we can make a houseboat.
Aiden!
What?
Aiden!
What?
Take him back.
Oh. Hello?
Help me!
What happened?
Help me! Help me!
What happened?
Help me! There's a big brolic white man chasing me around with a boat engine.
What?
Me and David are getting chased by a man with a boat engine. I feel like I'm in the 1960s.
Oh my gosh.
Who the hell was that?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Run,
Oh my
run,
gosh.
run.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Behind us and he is
Oh,
not.
whatever. Whatever.
Okay, let's go.
No, you can't! No, you can't! No, you can't! No, you can't!
Oh shit!
Javi, get us.
Oh shit! No, he's going after Kelvin!
No, Kelvin, no!
We can sacrifice Kelvin. It's okay.
Bro.
Alright, as long as we keep infinitely rezzing each other, we're good.
Ow.
Get him! Get him!
Oh, get him! Yes!
You fucking killed me, you bitch!
He's dead!
What? He just got his arm back.
Revive me!
Alright, no, let's take him back to the campfire. Let's take him back to the campfire so we can get bones.
Yeah, you have to chop him up though.
Can we turn off this fucking boat engine?
Javi, come on, we're gonna go to the cave now. I'm coming. Wait, isn't all the loot client side in this game? I'm pretty sure. It is. All the loot's client side in this game, I kinda forgot.
You cannot get your separate loot. I'm gonna kill that man, you know that?
Shut up.
Hi.
Hey!
Where
I can't wait for you to stay alive.
Okay.
He can't wait for you to stay alive, by the way. He just wanted you.
I really want you to stay alive.
I just want
Really want you to be alive.
Man, David, I can't wait to plant some plants with Javier.
I can't wait to survive in this forest.
Man, I can't wait to have some sons. Maybe in this forest?
Sons of the Forest.
What?
Why are you killing Kelvin? He's like,
I didn't mean to! I didn't mean to!
I'll kill you! I'll kill you! I'll kill you! I'll kill you! I'll kill you!
Stop, dude, you're wasting.
Stop.
You motherfucker.
That's your son.
I told you to stop, asshole!
Guys, precedes violence.
I'm gonna stick it in you. Get logs and drop here. Go give me my logs, Kevin, you punk ass bitch.
Fucking need logs, bro. What are you gonna do with them?
Build.
Build a house? Build a base?
No, I mean where?
Oh,
On
I
the
don't know
water.
yet, actually.
We're gonna build a houseboat.
Oh, houseboat, houseboat.
Ain't on the water, boat on a track.
Boat on a track.
Ain't on the
Train.
water, boat on a track.
Boat on a track.
I took a little trip.
Really hate how the
to
bag
the
automatically
Atlantic.
adds things.
I hope
I
I
hope
don't
I
go
don't
sink
sink
like
like
the
the
Titanic. Ain't on the water, boat on a track.
You say you're right.
Uh-oh. Can you just like drop stuff? I can just like drop something.
G.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah,
Okay.
you have to do this.
Alright, guys, I put the whole.
Ow. Don't fucking. God damn it!
I'm not doing
Get
anything.
cracking, guys.
I'm not doing anything.
I will throw a fucking spear.
I am too.
I'm going to chop you up. I swear to God, it's gonna happen.
Stop.
What's the difference?
Hospital will be fine. I don't know.
Are we going in the cave or what?
Ready for Ethan.
Ethan is not even in the VC.
He's in the game. I'm over here slaving away, making you a campfire, making you a tent.
Your lighter isn't purple.
It is purple.
No, it's not.
How the fuck did one of you acquire?
How the fuck did one of you acquire one of those?
Wait, is he?
No, this is 1 out of 4.
Oh, boobies!
What's he talking about?
Don't run at her.
How did you see her?
Yeah, seriously, it's pitch fucking black on my screen.
Sound like goat.
You hear me? Hit the rollie.
Do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Or else we can't give her a tomato. She'll be pissed. I don't.
What does she do? Like, what's the point?
Isn't this his
She'll
daughter?
like, yeah, she'll be like really shy, and she'll keep moving off, but she'll like eventually get close.
Coming. Hey. How's it going?
Dancing.
Hey.
Dancing.
Hey. Hey.
Why?
Hey.
Like,
Hey.
good.
Hey. Hey.
Because you have an extra leg and an arm doesn't
She actually
mean...
has a third leg where it counts.
Shut the fuck up. You!
We go to the cave.
What give, man? What give?
Los quieres! Los quieres! Wait for me, 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 wait for me.
Go. What did you say instead?
Okay
It's
guys,
very
put the radio
bright.
up. Put the radio up right next to each other.
Put a girl on.
Put a girl on. Put a girl on. Let's stick together. Birds of a feather flock together.
Ow.
You know what else is so loud?
Oh my fucking. Wait. Oh!
Come here!
Put a girl on! Put a girl on! Ow, you hurt me, ow.
Rebreather? I hardly know her.
Alright guys, we gotta go.
Oh, here we go.
I don't have a spear.
Awesome.
Oh. Yeah, you tell him, man.
Is he dead?
No.
Oh.
Later, bitches.
What?
There was a guy waving a flare, and I came up to him, and then he died in front of me.
Well, you know.
This guy definitely murdered a soldier.
No.
And come here, let's go greet the inhabitants of this island.
I'll be over there soon. Javi, did you know that killing a soldier is a crime? It's a war crime, actually.
Did you know that he died in front of me and I had nothing to do with it?
No.
That's fair enough, I guess.
He reached for the gun.
I like this spot.
This is a very nice.
This is a very nice spot.
Where's David?
Don't even say anything.
Oh, never mind. You were just behind Aiden.
Whoa! 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 Let me go park my car.
House.
Okay, I'm on my way.
I would like to make it known the golf cart is mine.
Finally.
If you touch it, I will kill you.
You're not gonna hog the golf cart all to yourself, bro.
No, I am gonna hog the golf cart all to myself.
Big and greedy.
Have you ever heard the term finders keepers, losers reapers?
Have you ever heard the term, I'm gonna kill you and steal it from you?
No, you're not. David, come here. David, come here.
What's up?
If you agree with me on the radio, I will let you use it too. It will only be Javier who can't use it.
Dude, it should just be a communal golf.
No. It's my golf cart that I will let you use. Agree on the radio. Agree. Yeah, I'm going to, but you have to agree on the radio that Javier can't.
Javier.
Yes. Yes?
I can't do it.
Say it.
I can't do
Say
it.
it. Say it. Say it.
David?
Say it.
Javier.
Yes, David?
Say it.
I'm sorry.
What?
I want to be able to use the golf cart.
Oh.
Sorry.
It's okay, David. It had to be done.
David will be allowed to use the golf cart.
It's like some special type of leaf.
Aiden, come here. Aiden, come here. Aiden, come here. Our butt booty naked guide wanted to show us something.
Is he like your fucking spirit friend?
Yeah, he's my spirit.
Oh, we can get the axe up there. We can get the better axe up there.
Oh. What's up, man?
Oh wait, no. Yeah, axe right here. Look, it's the axe. Hey, that was good after all. And we got the solar panel.
Oh boy.
Hey, David.
I don't know what that was, but I ate
David,
it.
say hello. Say hello. Say hello.
Oh, cool.